it's Angela Critters. Well, we're milking a cucumber. I don't know if you've heard about that before, but I was in a chat room the other night. See how white it's turning? Look at that. So they were talking about milking a cucumber, and we just all were dying laughing. But can you see the milky substance coming out of here? So you cut the end of a cucumber where it fell off the vine. You can always tell about 1.5 inches down, and then you just start milking. And I've already started getting juice dripping down. So there's an organic compound that rests at the base of where the cucumber's on the vine. And it gets released into the cucumber, and it's bitter. So people, we use salt to get the bitterness out, but a lot of people can't do salt. Look at this. So it really is milking. So I have a second cucumber ready that I've not milked. And I cut off the end of it as well. And I've got it peeled and ready. And I don't know how long to milk. I guess I milk till the wet stops. I don't know. Look at that. Look, it's starting to foam up. And I'm not a salt fan, so I don't like having to salt cucumbers to get the bitterness out. So I end up just, using my salad dressing or something. But isn't this neat? So on the internet, when I researched milking cucumbers, there were people complaining and said it didn't work. Well, they never said that they cut it on the side that it attached to the vine. So I think that's why it didn't work for them. So my arms are getting tired, so I'm about to consider this bad boy milked. Alright, let's see here. Alright, so let me cut off this peeling real quick. And I'll do a taste test. Very good. I don't feel the need to grab the salt shaker. And look. Look how the milked part turned kind of a lime green. Look at that. Must be from that compound. So here's the other cucumber that I didn't milk. There's a difference. I'm not compelled to eat another piece like this one. Now I've got both pieces in my mouth. I can tell a difference. It definitely is sweeter. And I think I just spit a cucumber seed out. Thanks so much for watching. Give it a try. This was fun. Bye-bye.